Wapiti, an indigenous term meaning pale-hued deer, serves as an alternate name for elk. While sharing familial ties with deer, elk surpass their relatives significantly in size. The antlers of a male elk, commonly referred to as a bull, can extend up to 4 feet above its head, rendering the creature an imposing height of 9 feet. Male elk, known as bull elk, shed their antlers annually in March. However, come May, they commence the regrowth process, gearing up for the upcoming late summer mating season. During the onset of summer, elk undertake a migration to elevated mountain pastures for grazing. It is in these terrains that the female elk, referred to as cows, give birth. Generally, each cow gives birth to a solitary calf, and remarkably, these newborns can stand on their own within the brief span of 20 minutes after birth. In the past, elk roamed expansively throughout a considerable portion of North America. Unfortunately, due to extensive hunting and habitat pressures, they were compelled to retreat to more secluded regions. Presently, their predominant habitats are situated in the western regions of North America, particularly in mountainous terrains like the National Elk Refuge in Wyoming and Yellowstone National Park. To revitalize elk populations, certain eastern U.S. states have undertaken initiatives to reintroduce modest elk herds, releasing them into densely forested wilderness areas. There are 2 species of alligator, the American alligator, Alligator mississippiensis, and the Chinese alligator, Alligator sinensis. The American alligator is more widespread and found in the southeastern United States. Alligators have a robust armored body with a muscular, flat tail. Their skin is covered with embedded bony plates called osteoderms or scutes. The young have bright yellow stripes on their tails, while adults have darker markings. In the wild, alligators can live for several decades. They typically have a lifespan of 30 to 50 years, depending on factors such as habitat, size, and health. American alligators primarily inhabit freshwater environments, including slow-moving rivers, swamps, marshes, and lakes. They are also known to tolerate brackish water, but cannot survive in salt water for extended periods. Alligators are carnivorous predators and have a diverse diet that includes fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. They are opportunistic feeders and often wait patiently for prey near the water's edge. The sex of alligator hatchlings is influenced by the temperature at which the eggs are incubated. Higher temperatures tend to produce males, while lower temperatures result in females. Nesting and parental care. Female alligators construct nests out of vegetation, mud, and debris where they lay their eggs. They fiercely guard the nests, and once the eggs hatch, provide maternal care by protecting the young. Alligators can be distinguished from crocodiles by their broader, U-shaped snout. Crocodiles have a more V-shaped snout. Additionally, when their mouths are closed, only the upper teeth of alligators are visible. Alligators are known for their vocalizations, which include hissing, bellowing, and growling. These sounds play a role in communication, particularly during the breeding season. The American alligator has made a remarkable recovery from near extinction due to conservation efforts. It is no longer listed as an endangered species and is considered a conservation success story. However, they are still protected by law to ensure their continued survival. The bald eagle, an emblem of national pride since 1782, holds a deep spiritual significance for indigenous communities that predates its official recognition. Despite its moniker, these majestic birds aren't truly bald. Instead, their luminous white-feathered heads stand out in striking contrast to their rich chocolate-brown bodies and wings. Witness them gracefully soaring in splendid solitude, engaging in dynamic pursuits as they chase down prey or amassing in impressive numbers during the winter months. Once imperiled by hunting and the perils of pesticides, the bald eagle's resurgence is a testament to the success of protective measures that have allowed this iconic symbol to thrive once more. Enthralling in both size and stature, bald eagles command attention with a weighty presence of up to 15 pounds and a remarkable size ranging from 28 to 38 inches. However, it's their wingspan that truly steals the show, stretching a breathtaking 7.5 feet in grandeur. To put this into perspective, compare it to the osprey with a wingspan reaching 6 feet, or the red-tailed hawk, boasting up to 4.8 feet. This expansive wingspan is the secret to the bald eagle's aerial prowess, enabling them to soar effortlessly for extended periods, a majestic display of mastery in flight that doesn't necessitate constant wing flapping. Beyond being a mere aesthetic marvel, the formidable wingspan of bald eagles serves a captivating purpose. It propels them to breathtaking heights. These regal birds effortlessly ascend to dizzying elevations, soaring 10,000 feet or higher into the sky. Their flight is an intricate dance with thermal air currents, a celestial ballet that sustains their majestic glide. This ingenious approach isn't just for show, it's a strategic energy-saving tactic. By harnessing the power of thermals, bald eagles can preserve their vitality for the crucial tasks of hunting for prey and embarking on extensive migrations, a testament to the majestic efficiency of nature's aviators. While we often dub someone with 20/20 vision an eagle eye, the truth is, bald eagles surpass even this visual acuity. With an astonishing 20/40 or 20/50 vision, these majestic creatures are the epitome of expert hunters. Picture this: spotting a diminutive creature from a remarkable 2 miles away with unparalleled clarity. Yet their visual prowess doesn't end there. Bald eagles boast an impressive 340-degree field of view, surpassing even the renowned peripheral vision of owls. Their eyesight is a marvel of precision, making them unparalleled observers of the world beneath their soaring wings. Earning its esteemed title on May 9, 2016, the American bison proudly ascended to the position of the national mammal of the United States. In the esteemed company of the bald eagle, this majestic creature stands as an official symbol of our nation. Much like the eagle, the bison carries the weight of American identity and represents one of the most triumphant tales in conservation history. Their symbolic significance transcends the prairies they roam, embodying the spirit of resilience and unity that defines the American landscape. In the realm of the American bison, the males, aptly named bulls, carry a majestic presence, tipping the scales at a formidable 2,000 pounds and standing an imposing 6 feet tall. On the other end of the spectrum, the females, known as cows, exude their own grace, with weights reaching up to 1,000 pounds and heights spanning 4 to 5 feet. Picture the arrival of bison calves, tiny yet resilient, weighing in at a modest 30 to 70 pounds at the moment of birth. These remarkable statistics paint a portrait of the varied and vibrant tapestry of the bison kingdom, where each member plays a distinctive role in the grand symphony of the American wilderness. Within the captivating saga of bison life, an average lifespan unfolds like a story, spanning 10 to 20 years, though tales abound of those who defy the norm and embrace the gift of more time. In the intricate dance of reproduction, bison cows gracefully step into the role of breeding at the tender age of 2, welcoming a single bundle of joy into the world at a time. Meanwhile, the bulls, donned in their prime, embark on the journey of fatherhood between the ages of 6 to 10, a chapter marked by the continuation of the timeless bison legacy. Each passing year within the bison's narrative reveals a tapestry woven with resilience, continuity, and the rhythm of the wild. In a surprising revelation, the mighty bison emerges as not just a symbol of brawn, but an embodiment of athleticism. Picture this colossal creature defying expectations as it charges forward at speeds nearing an impressive 35 miles per hour. And if that weren't astonishing enough, watch in awe as these behemoths effortlessly leap over obstacles, conquering heights of over 6 feet. Within their imposing frames lies a captivating blend of strength and agility, challenging preconceived notions and adding a dash of grace to the grandeur of the American wilderness. In the ancient chronicles of evolution, the majestic polar bear graced the icy landscapes between 343,000 and 479,000 years ago, a testament to endurance and adaptation. However, it wasn't until the 18th century that the bear donned its official Latin attire. In 1774, the scientific world christened it Ursus maritimus, a name that echoes its intimate connection with the frigid waters and sea ice of the Arctic. This creature, shrouded in the mystique of the frozen realm, carries not just a biological history, but a linguistic legacy that encapsulates its unparalleled affinity with the polar expanse. In the enchanting realm of the Arctic, the polar bear finds its haven on the expansive sea ice, a crystalline landscape where it orchestrates its hunting ballet. Navigating through open leads and strategic breathing holes, the bear pursues its prey with a graceful determination. Seals, both ringed and bearded, become protagonists in this frozen drama, their destiny interwoven with the bear's quest for sustenance. Yet, in this Arctic ballet, the resourceful polar bear, when opportunity beckons, showcases its versatile palette, embracing a diverse menu of prey that adds a nuanced layer to its carnivorous odyssey. In the captivating saga of polar bear territories, scientists theorize that these majestic creatures typically confine their wanderings to home ranges spanning a few hundred kilometers. Yet, amidst these expected patterns, the scientific community was left astounded by the extraordinary journey of a lone, satellite-tracked female. Brace yourself for this remarkable tale, a staggering trek of 4,796 kilometers, an odyssey that unfolded from the icy expanses of Alaska's Prudhoe Bay to the distant shores of Greenland, then onwards to Canada's Ellesmere Island, only to loop back once more to the enigmatic landscapes of Greenland. In the annals of polar bear exploration, her extraordinary expedition stands as a testament to the untamed spirit of the Arctic, ning 10 to 20 years, though tales abound of those who defy the norm and embrace the gift of more time. In the intricate dance of reproduction, bison cows gracefully step into the role of breeding at the tender age of 2, welcoming a single bundle of joy into the world at a time. Meanwhile, the bulls, donned in their prime, embark on the journey of fatherhood between the ages of 6 to 10, a chapter marked by the continuation of the timeless bison legacy. Each passing year within the bison's narrative reveals a tapestry woven with resilience, continuity, and the rhythm of the wild. In a surprising revelation, the mighty bison emerges as not just a symbol of brawn, but an embodiment of athleticism. Picture this colossal creature defying expectations as it charges forward at speeds nearing an impressive 35 miles per hour. And if that weren't astonishing enough, watch in awe as these behemoths effortlessly leap over obstacles, conquering heights of over 6 feet. Within their imposing frames lies a captivating blend of strength and agility, challenging preconceived notions and adding a dash of grace to the grandeur of the American wilderness. Manatees are large, gentle aquatic mammals known for their slow movements and peaceful nature. There are 3 species of manatees: the West Indian manatee, the Amazonian manatee, and the West African manatee. Primarily found in warm, shallow waters, Manatees inhabit coastal areas, rivers, and estuaries, with a notable concentration in Florida's waterways. Adult manatees typically measure 10 feet in length and weigh around 1,000 pounds. However, they can grow larger, reaching lengths over 13 feet and weights exceeding 3,500 pounds. Manatees are herbivores, primarily consuming seagrasses and aquatic vegetation. They use their 2 forelimb flippers to grasp and guide food into their mouths. A large, round, flattened, paddle-shaped tail is a distinctive feature of manatees, playing a crucial role in their swimming and navigating capabilities. Manatees have a slow reproductive rate with a gestation period of about 13 months. They usually give birth to a single calf, and calves stay close to their mothers for an extended period. Manatees face threats from human-related activities such as boat collisions, habitat loss, and cold stress. Due to these threats, they are listed as vulnerable or endangered, depending on the species. Manatees are known for their vocalizations, including squeaks, chirps, and squeals. These sounds play a role in communication, especially between mothers and calves. While manatees are known to be slow swimmers, they can cover long distances. Some populations undertake seasonal migrations to seek warmer waters during colder months. Understanding these fascinating facts about manatees sheds light on their importance in maintaining the ecological balance of their habitats and the conservation challenges they face. Moose, Alces alces, are the largest members of the deer family, standing tall with impressive antlers. Adult males, known as bulls, can weigh between 800 to 1,500 pounds. Male moose grow antlers annually, starting in spring and shedding them in winter. These antlers can span up to 6 feet in width, making them a distinctive feature. Moose inhabit boreal and mixed deciduous forests across North America, Europe, and Asia. They prefer areas with abundant vegetation, such as wetlands and lake shores. Moose are herbivores, primarily feeding on twigs, leaves, and aquatic plants. Their long legs and necks facilitate browsing on high branches. While they may form small family groups, moose are generally solitary animals. During the mating season, or rut, bulls become more social as they compete for mates. Moose communicate using various sounds, including grunts, bellows, and moans. These vocalizations play a role in mating rituals and warning signals. Moose are adept swimmers, capable of traversing rivers and lakes with ease. They have the ability to hold their breath for up to 30 seconds while swimming. Despite their massive build, moose are surprisingly agile and can run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. They are also capable of jumping fences and obstacles. Moose give birth to 1 or 2 calves in late spring or early summer. The calves stay with their mothers for about a year, learning essential survival skills. While adult moose have few natural predators, wolves and bears may prey on calves. Human-related threats include habitat loss, vehicle collisions, and disease, contributing to regional moose population fluctuations. Understanding these facts about moose provides insights into their ecological roles, behaviors, and the challenges they face in their diverse habitats. The California condor, Gymnogyps californianus, is a critically endangered species, with conservation efforts underway to prevent its extinction. California condors boast an impressive wingspan, ranging from 9 to 10 feet, making them one of the largest flying birds globally. Adults have a distinctive bald head, and their black plumage contrasts with striking white markings under their wings. Historically, California condors were found across North America, but currently they have a highly restricted range in parts of California, Arizona, Utah, and Baja California, Mexico. A captive breeding program has been vital for their survival. In the 1980s, the last remaining wild condors were brought into captivity to increase breeding success and mitigate threats. California condors have a slow reproductive rate. Females typically lay a single egg every 2 years, and both parents share the responsibility of incubating and caring for the chick. Condors are scavengers, primarily feeding on the carcasses of large mammals. Lead poisoning from ingesting spent lead ammunition remains a significant threat to their population. California condors are social birds, often roosting and foraging in groups. This behavior allows for cooperative foraging and increased protection against predators. In the wild, California condors can live up to 60 years, showcasing their potential for long-term contributions to conservation efforts. Grizzly bears, Ursus arctos horribilis, are large mammals, with adult males weighing between 600 to 1,200 pounds and standing about 7 feet tall on their hind legs. A noticeable hump over their shoulders distinguishes grizzly bears. This muscle mass aids in powering their powerful forelimbs, essential for digging. Grizzly bears inhabit various ecosystems ranging from Arctic tundra to dense forests, primarily found in North America, including parts of the United States and Canada. Grizzlies are omnivores, feeding on a diverse diet that includes berries, nuts, roots, fish, insects, and even larger mammals like moose or elk. Grizzly bears are generally solitary animals, but they can be seen congregating at abundant food sources such as salmon runs or berry patches. Grizzlies hibernate during the winter months, entering a state of reduced metabolic activity. During this time, females may give birth to cubs in their dens. Despite their size, grizzly bears are surprisingly fast and agile, capable of running at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour and climbing trees when necessary. Grizzly bears leave distinctive footprints with short, curved claws. Unlike black bears, grizzlies typically leave a more prominent and rounded track. Grizzly bears are listed as a species of least concern globally, but some populations, such as the Yellowstone grizzlies, are considered threatened due to habitat loss and human-wildlife conflicts. Management and conservation efforts are crucial for their long-term survival. Bighorn sheep, Huhn ovis canadensis, are renowned for their distinctive, large, curved horns that can weigh up to 30 pounds. Both males, rams, and females, ewes, have these impressive horns, but the male's horns are typically larger. Bighorn sheep are adaptable to a variety of habitats, from alpine meadows to desert canyons. They are found in North America, ranging from Canada to Mexico. Bighorn sheep are social animals, forming herds that can range from a few individuals to over 100. Rams and ewes typically live separately outside the mating season. These sheep are exceptional climbers, capable of traversing steep, rocky terrain with ease. Their agility helps them escape predators and access food sources. Bighorn sheep have a distinct mating season in the fall, during which rams engage in impressive head-butting contests to establish dominance and mating rights. Bighorn sheep are well adapted to cold environments. Their hollow fur provides insulation, and their specialized hooves provide traction on slippery surfaces. Bighorn sheep are herbivores, grazing on a variety of plants and grasses. Their efficient digestive system allows them to extract maximum nutrients from their diet. Wolves, mountain lions, and coyotes are among the natural predators of bighorn sheep, particularly targeting vulnerable lambs. While some populations are stable, others face conservation challenges due to habitat loss, disease, and competition with domestic livestock.